Assalamu alaikum guys. Today my topic is underbridge. So this is the structure. I am on the top of the deck slab. So these are the columns which you are seeing now. So these we have constructed above the pile cap. So the procedure is, first of all we make a detour for to divert the live traffic, and after that we are now constructing it partially. So that one which you are looking now, that was abutment A. So these are the piers. After that the abutment B, and the procedure is we are doing the safety work. After that we are drilling it, then we are installing the steel cages, sonic tube, sonic test. After that concrete, and after concreting we are making for 3, 4 or whatever in the design. In our design like 14, 15 piles are there. So above that we are making a pile cap. So after that we are constructing the columns, and above these all columns, so we are making a head beam, which in the beginning of the video, this one and the rebars which you are looking now, these are the head beams. And after the head beam we are putting these reinforcement. This is for the deck slabs, and these are the upstream rebars. This is as per the design whatever it is decided. And this area, so you are looking now, these are the girders, which T-girders which we have placed above these head beams, and there is no gap as you are looking now. So after some distances as per the design, we are making the expansion joint. So those expansion, so here you can see how these girders are placed with each other, and above the girders we have, because it's a hollow girder, so there's a hollow places above these girders. So we have places these concrete pads, and on the concrete pads there is again reinforcement hooks. So once we will provide the reinforcement for the deck slab, so these hooks will be tied in those slabs, and it will make a joint with each other. These are coming from the head beams. So this head beam and this deck slab, so this is the reinforcement here we have placed in this section for the deck slab. So we are combining it. In this section the reinforcement is almost ready. The small work for the time of binding wires, these are ongoing, or some machinery requires over there. And the upstand, actually before it was not in the design in the CTs, but now we have to pass it one time, so that's why the workers are working for the upstands also. And as you can see how much heavy reinforcement it is designed, and our main purpose is that there should not be a missing reinforcement. The alignment of reinforcement, the spacing, the diameter of the reinforcement, center to center distance, overlap, everything should be as per the design. So these are the scaffolding which you are seeing now to hold the weight of the deck slab. There are many components of this scaffolding, so I will tell you name one by one. So first of all, there are access brackets, diagonal tubes, soldiers of different sizes, 1 meter, 6 meter etc. Unit of channel splice, tie rods, push pulls. These are of different sizes as per the requirement, and double base plate. As you can see, all the components has been placed as per the design to carry out the load uniformly and
you gotta focus on yourself, on your faith, on your dreams, on your mind, on your health, yeah. You Gotta work, never tell, keep your head down, find what you love and excel, yeah. Push and pull and repel any hate, go create what you want, feel compelled, yeah. And once you finally get a taste of the race, you'll never look back once you felt that. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. Think about others way before myself, yeah. I guess that's why I feel like I go through hell, damn. Wasting time on your dreams instead of mine, yeah. About to turn this franchise around on a dime, man. It's all about finding your right state of mind. It's all about turning the worst into fine. It's all about time and the work and the climb. From the thirst we will rise, I'm immersed in this life. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first.
Of the column they have prepared it, and you can see the surface is good, is smooth. So there are the pinholes and bore holes on the columns, as you can see in this video. So the contact, and there are some joints which they have to scrub it and make it smooth before starting the painting work. In the painting, you know the procedure. First of all, they have to apply the primer. See the pinholes when we are hammering it. So from the top it was looking very small, so but after hammering it we have came to know, see how much it is big. So these are the bore holes, we have to rectify it. Now you can see another type of bridge where the reinforcement is almost ready. So in this bridge we are making the deck slab, and here where I'm standing it is a diaphragm. So in this side you can see the form work is ongoing, it's not completed yet in that span. So the first concrete we have from abutment A to pier 1, we are calling it span 1. These are the web walls, and these are the blister pads, and after the blister pad those are the deviator pads. So as you can see the amount of reinforcement, so I have checked it already. There was some comments which they are rectifying it now, not yet completed. So there are always 2 layers of minimum 2 layers of the reinforcement, the bottom part and the top part. So we have 2 layers in the bottom and 2 in the top. These are the blisters. So here we have some problem. They have cut this top main bars, and the link bar it should be until the end of the web, but they have cut it as if they cannot make it. So now we have issued an SCR field change request, and these are the tendons in the web where we have provided the PTU post tensioning. So here you can see how it has been designed. There are 4 layers in 2 layers in each section, so 8 number of tendons here. This is the opening in the diaphragm to access to this deck slab. So this is the bottom of the deck slab, then there will be a top from where the traffic will move on. This is also a under bridge. The traffic cars they will move below this, and the train it will move on the top. That's why we are calling it under bridge structure. And these are the inclined bars here to carry out the load accurately. And blisters and deviators here when the force tension will work. So these blisters and deviators this will provide a support to them to avoid the clash. This is another opening, and the trimmer bars you can see it in the diagonal position which we have provided, because this will be an opening also. The top view of the web, so you can see the positions here, the levels which we have provided as per the profile.